Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. I am going to show you guys a new wig that I've had my eye on for a while, and I got it in a very unique color. I'm sure you can see the thumbnail what color I got it in. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into this wig. All right, you guys, before we get started, make sure you do one thing for me. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload, because I got a lot of good stuff coming on the channel for you and I don't want you to miss out. All right, so let's hop right into this wig. This wig is brought to you by my own coins, okay? I did grab this wig off of Elevate Styles. I love Elevate Styles for all the newest drops. Excuse me. They tend to have all the newest wigs first, and they tend to ship them extremely fast. So I've always had great experiences with Elevate Styles. So make sure you click the link down below if you want to check out this wig or any of the other wigs that Elevate Style has to offer. So this one is the wig by Red Carpet, Main Concept, obviously. This one is Madison, and this one is in the color red. It's just called red. And obviously no other color name needed because baby girl is red, okay? So I decided to do a red lip and a really simple makeup look because I feel like red hair always looks best with a simple look and a pop lip. So let's look at the cap construction on this baby girl. She has two combs, small combs, right by the parting space. We do have a side curved part. Excuse my children, they are playing Fortnite. School just started back, and I am of the camp where you cannot have your iPhone, your iPad, your tablets, and none of that during the school week. So this is their first time getting back on Fortnite in a week. Getting back on their tablets or their phones, so they're super excited. So I'm not gonna make them quiet down, so just ignore them in the background. So we got a comb in the back as well. We got our two adjustable straps, which I usually just go ahead and strap together. It looks like we have a little bit of lace around the edge. The lace looks really light and gray, so I'm going to add some lace tint spray. I find that layering them on top of each other does help for some odd reason. You also have to be careful because that stuff can color the wig itself, but it seems like this one still looks fine after I sprayed it. Sometimes you have to go back and kind of like wipe off the actual hair itself. Now she is definitely thick, and she doesn't know what she's doing. She doesn't know if she's curly or wavy, but obviously that is the style. So looking on the stock card, she definitely gives that vibe of, I don't know if I'm curly or wavy, but I'm slaying regardless. And yeah, she's definitely giving me that. She's giving me, I'm doing everything and nothing and just being like fly. And I love this, but she's very cute to me. The texture is very kinky, okay? Even running my hands through it, like she feels, you know, very coarse. But she still moves, like she moves really great. I absolutely love the movement on this one. So I'm going to apply a little heat here and here, but I don't want to touch any of this. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do because I don't want it to affect. Wow, y'all. Wow. This hair is cute. Now this is definitely, even like I said, with the wig Letitia, this is definitely some take over the room hair, okay? This is not for anyone who was a little feeling timid that day, like, sis, you will be scared to walk out the front door. especially in this color. Like, if you feeling timid, bypass Miss Madison. She ain't for you. Okay, but if you here and you watching this, I'm guessing you feeling the vibe. So get into it, okay? Step out of your comfort zone, your comfort. Okay. All right, y'all. This is Miss Madison, and I'm shook. Okay, I'm shook. She is fly. She is full. But I knew that from the stock card. So if anything, no false advertising here. This wig, I knew exactly what I was getting, and I got exactly what I wanted. This wig is everything. It's giving me so much life. Shout out to Main Concept for coming out with a color that I absolutely adore. This red is everything, and if I see the color red again by Main Concept, I will definitely be grabbing it. And this texture is fire. Like, the length of this unit, beautiful. And as dramatic as it is in red, I could also see this being a really great everyday option in a 1B, a 2, or 4. Like, even a blonde shade, I could see this being an everyday wig. It's dramatic, yes, but it's not super long. It's not, you know, too much curls.
This is DoorDash. I'm pulling up to the front door now.
Okay, I'm coming. Hold on, y'all. All right, guys, so I'm back. Got the kids their pizza and their chicken fingers. Shout out to DoorDash. This is not sponsored, but hey, it could be. Yes, so I love it. I love this wig. I love the density. Yes, it's full. I love that it's a nice yaki texture. I love the cut, and that's hard for a wig to do. Most times I love everything about the wig, except I feel like I need to tweak the cut or the bang. But this one is winning in terms of the cut and the bang, which for me, that's a win in my book. If they get the bang right, you know, if they giving me this right here, like, if a wig can give me this without me feeling like I need to trim it, sis, you winning all the way around, okay? And I love the mixture of waves and curly bang, like a flip bang. I just love what this wig is doing. Now, will this wig stand the test of time? I'm not really sure. I feel like this wig is going to have a tendency to, you know, that nape of the neck problem. Y'all know that problem, that nape of the neck problem. But then again, the wig is so full that the nape of the neck might get tangled, but all of this could potentially still be free flowing. Like she moving good. She got a, okay, she got a nice swing to her, okay? So it's very possible that this wig could get, you know, a little sweated out and tangly on the under layer, but the top layer still be bouncing and behaving. So I think that this wig will be fine. Now, is this wig a good candidate for, as time goes on, to turn her into a bob? Most of my wigs go to a bob before they go to the trash. I don't really see that happening with this unit. I feel like once she's spent, and you know, maybe she could go to a ponytail. You can start wearing her in a little low ponytail or a bun, but that's probably about it for this unit. Price point wise, I think she's great. Color wise, I love it. The only thing I would say is the texture is not soft. And so I don't really know what the problem was there. There are a lot of units that are yaki like this, in this yaki category, that are still soft and don't feel like rough like this. So that's really my only critique on this unit, but I still think she's great for the price point. And if I had to buy it again, I would absolutely buy it again in another color, or buy this one again once she's done. Like, yes, I love this. Y'all let me know what y'all think about Madison down below, and let's go ahead and get into the subscriber shout out. Hello, is this Donna?
Yeah.
Hi Donna, this is Jess the Dragoness. How are you?
I'm wonderful. How are you?
I'm doing great. You're actually on my YouTube channel right now. I'm doing a customer shout out, and I always find my top customers from my website, and you have ordered from my site over 7 times. And I am so grateful and so happy to have you as one of my top customers. And yeah, so I just wanted to give you a call and just express my gratitude, even on my YouTube channel, so everyone can know how awesome you are. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I love your product, so you're awesome. Your reviews are great, so I appreciate you.
Well, thank you so much for supporting a Black woman-owned business. You are the MVP.
We have to support each other.
That's right. That's right. This community would be nothing if we were not united. So I appreciate you and can't wait for your next order. I got you.
Thank you so much, sweetheart. You have a wonderful holiday weekend.
All right. You as well. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, you guys, so that was Miss Donna. Thank you so much for supporting me, you guys. I can't tell you how much it means to me to have you all out here supporting me. It really allows me to keep doing what I love doing, to keep bringing you guys amazing content, and to have my beauty supply store online. So thank you. If you're looking to support, definitely check out www.justthedragoness.com, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.